Hello guys, Paniseries MTG here, and I want to show you a really cool combo. Actually, a guy at my locals used it last time it beat me. It's nice. I think it's somehow a stable combo. Some of you may already know it, but I do it for the people that don't know. So the first card we have is Suture Priest, or Soul Sister works too. So as you can understand, it's a life gain combo. So what this card says is whenever another creature enters the battlefield under your control, you may gain 1 life. Whenever a creature enters the battlefield under an opponent's control, you may have that player lose 1 life. So keep that in mind. Second card of the combo is Rayleigh Gordon. 2 white, 2/2. When enters the battlefield, you may exile target artifact or enchantment. And when Rayleigh Gordon leaves the battlefield, you return the card of the battlefield under its owner's control. So that's one of the key cards along with this. The last one is Phyrexian Metamorph. So what this guy does is you may have it enter the battlefield as a copy of an artifact or a creature, but that's a thing that makes a point here. It's still an artifact in addition to its own types. So you can copy him and use his ability to exile Metamorph. Metamorph leaves the battlefield, it re-enters again. You can use again the ability, again, exile, leaves the battlefield, comes back, and again, and again, and again. And you can do it like, let's say, 1 billion times, so you have, or infinite times, you say your opponent that you have infinite life and you win. The only way actually your opponent can get through this is either remove him when he has the chance, or it. But if you manage to do the whole combo, then if your opponent doesn't have another winning condition, he can't win, except if he's playing Infector, has cards that can inflict infinite damage, like the Spirit and Twin combo, or can mill your deck out, or lose your life and mill your deck out, like the Dark Ascension Magnetar combo. So that's the combo that I want to show you guys. Hope you like it. If you knew it, it's in a well-known combo. I'm sorry, I just want to show you. That's all guys. Paniseries MTG signing out.